Changing perspective. We show you the world like you've never seen before. We are Droneheroes, an international film company specialized in creative and aerial film, commissioned by hotel chains and resorts all over the world. From ice-cold landscapes in Europe to tropical islands in Asia. We showcase the most beautiful places on this planet. We share an incredible drive to make every new shoot bigger and better than the previous one, and to move people with our visual storytelling. We produce up to 1 terabyte of data per trip. We only entrust those files to the safest storage, because every shot we make is unique and irreplaceable. While traveling, we use LaCie rugged drives, reliable and sturdy enough to survive our adventures. We also carry a DJI Copilot with us, a unique hard drive that allows you to back up your data on set without needing a laptop. Once we get back to one of our studios, we have the 6 Big, the editing workhorse. The 6 Big is a RAID solution with 6 Iron Wolf Pro drives. Combined with the extremely fast Thunderbolt 3 connection, makes our 4K editing goes extremely fast and that we have double backups. Thanks to LaCie, we have been able to optimize and accelerate our workflow. With the included rescue service, we never have to worry about data loss. Because of the speed of data transfers, we save a lot of time, which allows us to focus even more on our passion, making unique drone films and travel the world.